Hello kids, let's learn one and many today. On the green screen there is one apple. So we write APPLE apple. And on the pink we see there are many apples. Many means when the object are more than one. So we add S to it. That is APPLES. Let's see some more example. Cat. One cat. CAT cat. Two cats. CATS cats. One pen. PEN pen. Many pens. PENS pens. One butterfly. One butterfly. Many butterflies. Many butterflies. One kite. KITE kite. Many kites. KITES kites. Many kites. One doll. DOLL doll. Many dolls. DOLLS. We add S dolls. One dog. DOG dog. Many dogs. DOGS dogs. One ball. BALL ball. Many balls. BALLS balls. We add S to ball for many. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.